Hi everyone, we have already seen the first example of the NFA to DFA conversion. It is our second example. So look at this, which is the start state Q0. So in the earlier method also, from the transition table we are drawing what transition diagram. So this is the transition table of NFA. So I am drawing the transition diagram of NFA. How it will look: Q0 is the start state. Okay, from Q0 with input symbol A, it goes to what? Q0 itself and also Q1, isn't it? It is said by this: Q0 on A goes to Q0 and also Q1. So here it will become an NFA. So next, Q0 on B goes to what? Q2. B goes to Q2 and Q2 is what? The stop state or the end state or the accepting state. Okay, so Q2. Next one, Q1 on A goes to what? Q0. So Q1 on A goes to Q0. Q1 on B goes to what? Q1 itself, isn't it? Next, Q2 on A, no transition. So in NFA, whether a transition occurs or not for an input symbol, that is not a problem. So we can bypass the condition of A. Next, on B, it goes to what? Q0 and also Q1. So in B, it goes to what? Q0 and also for the B, it goes to what? Q1. So this is the NFA. So look at here, it has having what? 3 states. So how many power set it will have? 2 raised to 3, that is equal to what? 8 state we are having. So that's why I have said the method which in the previous video, that is start from the starting state and make it as a set. So start state is Q0, set Q0. No need to write the power set of all sets. So I start from the set Q0 because in DFA we are writing, when moving from NFA to DFA, so we are writing every state with set, that is every combination must be taken care of in the NFA. Okay, so set Q0 on A goes to what? Set Q0 on A goes to what? Q1 and also Q0. So it what will be the set become? Q0 comma Q1. I think you have understand. Q0 on A goes to Q1 and Q0. So that state will be what? Q0 comma Q1, isn't it? Okay, next one. On B, Q0 on B goes to what? Q2. So set Q2. Okay, whether once it is going to one state, you put it as set one state. If it goes to 2 state, you can in your set there will be 2 state, 3 states, 3 symbols it will be having in your set. Okay, so look at here. Q0, Q1 is not being visited. So you must visit that Q0, comma Q1. You must visit first because I have already said first you check from here. Otherwise, there will be an error in your problem. So Q0, comma Q1. So Q0, Q1 you take as both. Q0 or Q1 on A goes to what? What? Q0 on A goes to Q0 and Q1. Q1 on A goes to what? Q0. So set Q0 comma Q1, isn't it? On B goes to what? 0 comma Q1. On B goes to Q0 comma Q1. On B goes to Q1 itself and also Q0 on B goes to what? Q2. So Q2 comma what? Q1. Okay, once again I will say Q0 comma Q1 on A goes to what? Q0 on A goes to Q0 and also Q1. Q1 on A goes to what? Q0. So set is Q0 comma Q1 and Q0 comma Q1 on B. Q0 on B goes to Q2 and Q1 on B goes to what? Q1. So the state is Q2 comma Q1. Okay, so check from here. this is being visited. Next we have to visit what? Here. Don't look at here, look up from here. This is not being visited. Next we have to visit what? Set Q2. So set Q2 I am visiting. So look at set Q2. Q2 on A, Q2 on A goes nothing. So you can mark it's null, or you can mark here 5 also, both are correct. And Q2 on B, Q2 on B goes to Q0 and also what? Q1. Look at here, B goes to Q0 and also Q1. So Q0 comma Q1. Okay, next one, here we have been visited, this has been visited, Q0 Q1 has been visited. Next we have to go to what? Q2 comma Q1. So set Q2 comma Q1 I have to visit. So look at here, Q2 and Q1. Q2 on A goes nothing, goes no transition, but Q1 on A goes to Q0. So here set will become Q0, it will be coming. Next one, Q2 Q1 on B goes to Q2 Q1, Q2 Q1 on B goes to Q2 on B goes to Q0, and Q2 on B goes to what? Q1. Q1 on B goes to what? Q1. So set will become Q0 comma Q1. Once again, if you have confusion, once again I will say Q2 comma Q1. Q2 and Q1 we are considering. So Q2 on 0 goes to, sorry, Q2 on A goes to nothing, but Q1 on A goes to Q0. And also Q2 comma Q1 on Q2 comma Q1 on B goes to Q2 comma Q1 on B goes to Q0 and also Q1. So Q0 Q1, this has been visited, this is being visited, there's no need to visit. Q0 Q1 has been visited and Q0 has been visited, Q0 comma Q1 has been visited. No new states to be visited, so your DFA's transition table stops here. Okay, next we have to draw the transition diagram for this. So I am drawing here, your state will be what? Q0. So Q0, set Q0 will be the one state, and next state it will be Q0 comma Q1 I am drawing. So don't confuse with here. Next one I am drawing Q2, I am drawing. Next one I am drawing Q2 comma Q1. Okay, so this is our transition diagram. Okay, so mark it, Q0 on A goes to Q0 comma Q1, Q0 on A goes to Q0 comma Q1, on B goes to Q2. Okay, next Q0 comma Q1 on A goes to Q0 comma Q1 itself, on B goes to Q2 comma Q1, on Q2 on A goes for nothing, and Q2 on B goes to Q0 comma Q1, and Q2 comma Q1 on A goes to Q0, on A B goes to Q0 comma Q1. Okay, by these two example I think you have get an idea how to convert ANFA to DFA, and also you can see their powers are same. This machine can be simulated to this, so these powers are same, so that is proved by this example. Okay, thank you.